This video and lesson is on double entry accounting. So what is it and how does it work? Well, what it means is that every single entry in the hotel is always at least a double entry. Sometimes it's multiple entry. A great example of a double entry is the sale of a cup of coffee. On one hand, we are actually crediting the food revenue account and we are debiting perhaps the guest ledger or the form of payment. Another great example is when we sell a room. We actually are going to credit room revenue and we're going to debit the guest ledger because that's where the charge for the guests' accommodations stays until they pay it. Another example of the double entry is when the client actually pays their folio. What happens then? Well, when the client actually gives us cash, we're going to credit the guest ledger and we're going to debit cash. So every single transaction always has at least two parts. That's double entry accounting.